Today, you'll take the Daily Oral Language Quiz number 8. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The first section asks you to correct some sentences. Remember, only the sentence that you write will be graded, not any editor's marks that you put in. Number 1. Chuck attended Northwestern University in Evanston, Illinois, where he studied mathematics. Number 2. The Carlini's first flower shop, Blossom, did very good, so they opened 2 more. Number 3. We're not ready to leave for work yet, but we will be... Start over. Number 3. We're not ready to leave for work yet, but we will be once the dog is feeded. For number 4, if the guide words on a dictionary page are walnut and whimsy, which word will not be located on that page? Which will not be located on the page? Warm, wilderness, where, whale, or western? For number 5, you need to circle the linking verb or verbs that are in this sentence. After a long time playing in the garden, the puppies became tired and fell asleep. Number 6. Underline the simple subject of the sentence. A portrait of President Andrew Jackson is on the $20 bill. For number 7, you need to circle the root that means something that's written or drawn. Is that ism, ology, file, or graph?